Manipur da Thokliba erang singi tongan ba case ingi manungda ka hena complex oirakpa case sing CBI NIA natraga atopa investigating agency singda sinaraga thigat halli hairiba case sing ase Manipur police na so paiduna thigat pa ngamnaba investigating agency singda Manipur police personnel sing thaduna train tauri haina Manipur police ki DGP Rajiv Singh na phongdokre Babuparada laiba police headquarter da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mahakna makhatana hai Manipur asi sports ki powerhouse ama oibana police department asida sports person kayasu cheksin thamli department asida sports person si quota su hengat hanbio haina chief minister da wafam pukhatpada chief minister na wafam asi khanarage haibege thazaba pirakle loinana police outpost kuntraga mari amadi atopa construction upgrade taunaba senfam su sanction taure haidaduna hojek thokliba conflict asi Manipur police khaktana waroishin purak pangamloi haibasi khangnaraba ngaktani maramaduna anti social criminal natraga miscreant singna lana lamjingba tawkhidanaba CSO amadi public punna thoklaklaga hana lairamba normalcy hanjilaknaba honasi law and order amadi security na thengnagadaba sing leidiba department na thengnahansi haiki loinana Manipur police na chahi chamaga kuntrani thoi surakpa sida cooperation pikhiba khudingmak amadi police department ki damak ngasi lengakna lauthokkiba wafam singda thagatpa phongdokki
brought this smile to our faces, whether it is in Olympics or national games or Asian games or Commonwealth games. So we are very proud of the sportsmen, and I, as the head of the force right now, I can assure you that all the police sportsperson will be taken good care of and will try to provide them the best of opportunities. We have also requested our Honorable Chief Minister for increasing the quota for the sportspersons in the Manipur Police Department, and which he has promised that he will seriously consider it, and maybe after his discussions we might also announce that. Obviously all cases will not get solved. It has happened in the past also. There are so many cases, there are so many SITs here, there are so many commissions here. So everybody is trying to work towards a better Manipur, and we are a part of it, and we'll definitely try and get the normalcy back.